So another example. So the question is evaluate, it is root of 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus of x whole square plus 1. It is under root into dx. Right? So once again, it is root of this whole will be acting as a x. So x square plus a square. Root of x square plus x square, similar to this only. So there is no change in the previous example and this example, but only thing is he has expressed in the form of two terms over here. Accordingly, we'll try to use a substitution method. So let us take I to be equals to. So I will be equals to, it is integral of, you have dx by, it is root of 2 minus of x whole square plus 1. So I'm using the substitution. So 2 minus x is together, therefore I'll try to put it is 2 minus of x to be equals to t. Now let us try to differentiate this one. 2 is a constant, so derivative is 0, x derivative is dx is equals to dt. But here dx is what? Positive value. Therefore, you need to remove this negative value. So, minus dx is equals to dt. So it is better we multiply by minus of 1 on both sides so that I can remove that negative sign. What happens is negative of negative will become positive dx is equals to this negative, if you multiply, it becomes minus of dt. Now if I just try to plug in this value back over here in the given integral, I'll be getting I is equals to integral of, in place of dx I'll put minus dt whole divided by under root 2 minus x will now become t, so it is t square plus 1, so 1 will be 1 square. But however, minus outside I'll try to take it is dt by root of t square plus 1 square. So we know this formula. So what is the formula we have? It is integral of dx by root of x square plus a square will be equals to what? It is log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus the constant of integration c, right? So now if I try to just integrate this one, I is equals to, it is minus sign as it is. Now this whole is nothing but your formula itself, log of mod x in this case is t, so t plus root of t square plus a value is 1, so 1 square plus c. But what is the value of t I have taken? The value of t that I have taken over here is 2 minus of x. So replace the value of t as 2 minus of x. So that becomes minus of log 2 minus of x plus it is root of 2 minus of x whole square. 1 square will be 1 itself plus the constant c. So that will be the required solution.